3 Impressive Way to Clean Your Mirrors at Home Without Streaks. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Cleaning your mirrors can be a very satisfying household chore. However, it can be challenging to clean mirrors without leaving behind streaks from the cleaning process. To clean your mirrors without leaving behind streaks, it is important to use the right cleaning solution and materials. Once you have an appropriate cleaning solution and a flat weave microfiber cloth, it is just a matter of learning the technique for wiping down mirrors. Number 1. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water. In a spray bottle, add 1 cup of vinegar. Then, add a cup of water. Close and shake the spray bottle to mix the perfect mirror cleaning solution. Number 2. Make a homemade glass cleaner. Although equal parts vinegar and water will work for most mirrors, sometimes you want a solution that is a bit more powerful. In this case, you can make your glass cleaner in a clean container and then fill up a clean spray bottle. Mix the following ingredients for a powerful cleaning solution. 1/4 cup of white vinegar. If you don't have any, you can also use apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which helps reduce streaking. 8 to 10 drops of essential oil, such as lemon, orange or lavender. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 3. Use dish detergent, lemon juice, and vinegar. Another powerful, homemade cleaning solution involves mixing dish detergent with lemon juice, which helps to deodorize, and vinegar. Be careful not to put too much dish detergent into this solution, since it could cause streaks if used excessively. In a bucket of warm water, add the following ingredients. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dish detergent. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Half a cup of white vinegar. If you don't have it, you can use ammonia. Avoid store-bought cleaners. Although there are many brands of commercial window cleaner, they tend to include excessive amounts of soap, which will cause streaking. As such, you are better off using either an equal part mixture of vinegar and water or a homemade cleaning solution. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best natural bathroom cleaning tips and tricks for cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.